wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop electric grills. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the DeLonghi Perfecto features a large cooking surface in a compact, easy-to-transport package that weighs just 11 pounds. The grate is removable, making it a breeze to clean, and it has a basic dial controller with an indicator light to let you know when it's heated. The thermostat is also detachable, and the lid keeps food warm after cooking. However, its non-stick coating is not very durable. At number 9, capable of reaching temperatures between 195 and 445 degrees Fahrenheit, the Miles Kimball 13-inch is a no-fuss option that won't take up too much space. The non-stick finish allows you to use less oil than with other surfaces, and it's super easy to clean too. It heats up quickly and evenly, and the handles don't get hot, but it can be rather smoky. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Hamilton Beach Super comes with an illuminated button that gets it up to high temperatures quickly so you can achieve a perfect sear. The floating hinge allows you to cook a variety of foods, from a grilled cheese sandwich to an extra thick ribeye. It cooks most meals in under 10 minutes, and its drip tray is dishwasher safe. However, it is difficult to clean. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop electric grills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're looking for versatility, the Swissmar Classic delivers. Its enameled cast iron plate is reversible, with one ribbed and one flat side, and it includes 8 small non-stick pans that are ideal for cooking toppings and side dishes. It comes with a spatula for each dish and is also available in black. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Moving up our list to number 6, perfect for low-fat cooking, the mliter 2-in-1 features drainage holes for grease. It's got a tray that can be filled with water to minimize smoke, and the temperature controls have helpful illustrations to show you which level is best for different types of food. This one's got ribbed and flat surfaces, and the plate is removable for easy cleaning. It's both compact and portable. Halfway up our list at number 5, the megachef dual surface allows you to choose between a standard grill top for meats and vegetables and a flat griddle for things like eggs and pancakes. Its clear lid lets you monitor your food as it cooks, and also reduces messy grease or sauce splatters. It features a large cooking surface, a non-stick area that's easy to clean, and a glass shield that locks for safety. At number 4, with a built-in timer and a floating hinge to accommodate thick cuts of meat, the George Foreman Multi-Plate Evolve is versatile and easy to use. The ceramic surfaces are PTFE and PFOA free and are dishwasher safe to boot. It's equipped with straightforward digital controls, a sear button that provides a burst of heat, and waffle plates. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with the Hamilton Beach Multigrill Plus, you can close the lid for burgers and sandwiches or open it up to double your cooking surface. It's also great for frying bacon without having to deal with messy grease spattering everywhere. It includes 3 interchangeable plates, a kickstand for draining excess oil, and power and preheat indicator lights. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop electric grills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're new to cooking, the t-fal optigrill may become your best friend. It senses the thickness of meats and beeps to let you know when they're rare, medium, or well done. The controls are simple and intuitive, and it sports a beautiful stainless steel finish. It's equipped with 6 pre-programmed cooking modes and a defrost setting, and it's available in 2 sizes. And taking the top spot on our list, able to reach temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the Hamilton Beach Searing Grill is ideal for large cuts of meat, locking in juices and leaving attractive grill marks. The hood, plate and drip tray are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy and convenient. Its preheat light reduces guesswork, and the viewing window helps contain heat. It comes in at a low price compared to similar models too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop electric grills, or simply click beneath this video.